We are on the road again, and this time we're not really even going on a rescue. We're going to pick a gal up at the Fairfield Inn. I know what you're thinking, but she went camping up on the Smiths Mesa and got stuck, got her car unstuck, and just kept driving and left her tent and all her gear there. So she's called us to go for a road trip, get her gathered up, go get her tent and her medications and all the good stuff she's got in there. So we'll take you along for the ride. We have no clue what we're getting into. We've had a little weather here today, a little bit of snow. So I imagine we're gonna get in the mud on that Kolob Terrace Road headed up onto Smiths Mesa. So we'll take you along for the ride.
I think I am getting money.
Might have to clean that one off.
Yeah, we might.
All right, well, we made it up to the winter wonderland of Smiths Right Camp. Yeah, I've been here quite a few times. So here we are. I don't know what you can see and can't see, but so we have a little bit of a motto that says when other tow companies won't do that, we do that. So thanks for coming along for the ride. High heat. Hold that. So we're just grabbing some stuff. What are we doing?
Packing the car like we're going on vacation.
We're going on vacation. We're up here to the Smiths Right Camp on Kolob. It's like a one big party up here. Did you get all your stuff though?
No.
Oh. My hell, what'd you bring?
You can have that because I'm not gonna eat that, and there's some I mean, I can
Some
take that in the
Flick-a-Bit?
fridge,
Flick-a-Bit?
and
You have to
paper
fly
towel.
home? I think you ought to stay another week. Wait till the weather warms up. Okay, here you go. If you guys ever want to come up here to the Smiths Right Camp, it's pretty awesome. They have these tents up here. Let me turn a light on. Okay, so that's what they are. They're a nice little tent. They got two twins in them, some tables, good stuff, rug, chairs. So that's what they are. Let's go.
Was that her fan?
I don't think so.